Hey guys, well, I seem to have a problem here, and if you can guess, it's a eureka whirlwind. And I got the cyclone cover off of it, excuse me. Now the problem is, I hear a hissing noise. Now, I say it's a leak, and I know it's a leak because I can hear it hissing. Now, I took some super glue and fixed the sheet gasket here, up here, and I know the gasket for the dust cup is good, and this one is fixed. So I'm trying to think whether, I'm thinking it's this gasket up here that's hissing, because when I have it on and I put my hand over the hose, this hisses. So that is not good. Now, having a suction leak on a cyclone is not good. I just know because it can lead to a whole bunch of problems with your motor down there. Now, this is an interesting little cyclone system. It's a single cyclone. It's not like a Dyson where it has multiple cyclones. But it's a good vacuum, but most of the dirt gets caught in the filter, and these are really a pain to work on. Personally, I do not like them. So, anyways, there's a gasket up here now. I was looking at the parts list, and here's the parts list. If I can find it, yeah. If I'll get there in time. Hold on, let me scroll in. I was looking at the gasket for this, and I re-glued that one up there. And if I can find it, aha, here's the gasket that I probably think I need to replace. Now that is a number 10. Let's see, my computer's a bit laggy today. There we are, sheet gasket, and that will cost me $6.49. Now, I also need to buy the CMF1 filters for it.